Today we talk about when and where to look for reversal patterns and how to trap traders that are on the wrong side of the market. Let's get into this one. Traders, welcome back to day 50 on the Road to 20 PA video series. Thank you guys for sticking through me through 50 episodes on the Road to 20 PAs. We're still nowhere near where we need to be, and there will be great times to come in the future. We're halfway to 100, and today we bounce back from our upsetting Friday loss of 2 accounts. Over the weekend, I had a lot of time to reflect, journal, and study the markets, study what I was thinking in the moment, and I rewatched that YouTube video on Friday about, I want to say like 5 times through and through, and just journaled about my triggers, the signs that I am starting to tilt, and I learned a lot from it. You always have to be learning from your mistakes. You can't let it get you upset. And I'm glad you guys received the video well. Thank you guys for all the positive comments. It really boosted my morale after that upsetting day. But today we bounced back. We were 1-0. And today we trade a reversal pattern. And I'll talk about the key factors on how to tell when and where to trade reversal patterns and when it's good to go short or long in the opposite direction of the larger trend. Let's get into the live trades for today. Alright guys, I'm starting the video.
Order submitted.
So I'm planning on taking my first trade of the day. What we have here is we had an overshoot of this larger uptrend that was working higher for a while. And overshoot a lot of times could lead to stronger correction or reversal in the opposite direction. And now we have a failed second entry short, lower high setup. We got 31, 25, 29, 25. Perfect. See if we can get the trigger. Looks like EMA's holding once again. Triggered. Let's see if we can get the pullback and get filled. Come on. Again, from this low, you have first entry short, pull back, second entry short, strong push below EMA, and then you have a retest of the EMA and a lower high setup with this bar right here. Good trap bar at the EMA right here, and you can see we triggered above it and we instantly rejected back down. So let's see if we can get filled real quick.
Order filled.
Alright, and we're filled. See if we can get the scalp super quick. We are scalping perfectly at the lows of this move, if it's more of a trading range, because you could also draw it like this. Might be more of a range-like structure like this. But even if it is, we still should get to the bottom. And EMA is holding right here with a strong push below, and this trend line's holding decently well. So let's see if we can get the scalp.
Target filled.
Alright, whoa. Alright guys, and we are filled. Again, what we had there was strong overshoot of this uptrend led to a stronger correction than we would normally have, and a reversal pattern, which is normally what happens after overshoot. So we're expecting a good reversal pattern from this overshoot, because overshoot causes momentum in the opposite direction. So then we saw it correct all the way past this initial uptrend, and then we broke the bottom of the trend. And usually you can sometimes still get a new extreme of the uptrend after overshoot, so I was being a little bit careful about that. And from this low, you can see we had first entry short, pullback, second entry short. And if we were going to get new extreme of the uptrend, this second entry short would have failed at the EMA, and buyers would have came in and we would have got a new extreme. But you saw the second entry short didn't hold at EMA. It pushed right through, and then we had a perfect lower high confirmation, which traps all the bulls that are looking to go long, still expecting new extreme of the uptrend, that didn't adapt to the sign that the market was giving them, that this strong push below EMA and the lower high confirmation. So Let's see if we can get a little bit of a runner. We are approaching the open of day, which can cause some pullback, but let's see what we can do.
Stop filled.
Alright, and our runner just got stopped out. I did move our stop loss down to take profit a little bit early, only because I saw these lows kind of matching up, and we could have something more like this, and you can see we have 1 attempt lower, 2 attempt lower, 3 attempt lower, 4 attempt lower, 5 attempt lower, and they're all failing right here. So, and we're right into the open of day, and we have a perfect 2 measured legs down to new extreme, and after you get 2 legs in one direction, you expect further correction in the opposite direction. So we could get a new extreme of this uptrend, but we're also in a downtrend now, so now we have to sit on our hands and wait for the next trade. And that's the only reason why I took profit on the runner. Usually you want to let the runners run, because anything that the runner gets is just extra. You don't want to prematurely cut your runners off, because then you're losing out on potential profits. But I just saw this hard support forming over here, so, and we're into the EMA on the 10K tick chart, so just thought I would take some profits real quick. And I will start the video when we take our next trade. And there you have our one and only live trade for the day. Let's just take a closer look one more time at this reversal pattern. Again, you have this strong trend working upwards that's very confirmed, and it's been working up higher for about like 2 hours now. And then you finally get overshoot of this uptrend, and according to price action rules, overshoot usually leads to a correction phase or a complete reversal of the market. So you always want to observe what happens after overshoot, and as you can see, we pushed through the entirety of the trend and retraced the entire trend. We even pushed right through the EMA with no bullish correction or anything, and then from this low you had first entry short, push above EMA, second entry short, and if this uptrend was going to continue and get new extreme and the bulls were still in the market, this second entry short right here, instead of pushing through the EMA would hold, and the buyers would come into the market right here and push the market higher, or attempt to. But instead, you get this second entry short that pushes right through the EMA, big red bar indicating that the sellers are ready to sell. And this is when you should be looking for a confirmation of this reversal pattern, because you know people are willing to sell now. So right after that push down, you get one more test of the EMA, and then you get this perfect lower high confirmation bar, great red pin bar, and you are also expecting a second red leg down from this leg, just like this, which is exactly what you got. The reversal pattern was nice. We made the quick, easy scalp, and we took even a little bit of runner as well. And if you guys are still watching up until this point in the video, that means you probably like the content. So please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Helps me out a whole bunch, and I appreciate all the support you guys give me. These videos take a lot of time to make, and I love making them for you guys. So all the support helps. I hope everyone had a great trading day today. I hope you all made $1 million, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.